Driving an older truck can certainly save you some cash each month by not having to pay a big note. But there are times when an older truck can be problematic. And that's when higher mile or failure-prone parts leave you stranded. Or even worse, when a failing component damages other parts on its way out, leaving you with an expensive repair bill. The 5.4-liter 3-valve Ford is the perfect example of this. Now, they were introduced in 2004 as a variation of the 2-valve mod motor that preceded it. So the block and rotating assembly is more or less the same. But the 3-valve does have some quirks that kind of make it a bit of a ticking time bomb. Now, one of the major differences between the 3-valve and the 2-valve that preceded it are up in the cylinder head. Now, there are 3 lobes for each cylinder on the camshaft, 2 for the intake valves and 1 for the exhaust. The other major difference between the 3-valve and the older 2-valve is the addition of variable cam timing. Now, this is great because it gives the engine a much wider power band, so you have a lot more torque down low and more power up top. But these cam phasers actually kind of gave the engine an Achilles heel. When they first start to fail, your first indication is going to be a slight ticking noise, a loss of fuel mileage, and power. But many people actually ignore those symptoms and continue to drive. Well, if that happens and the phaser completely fails, then you'll have a lack of lubrication to the top end of the engine. That means your cam is going to be spinning with no lubrication, and that will damage parts in a hurry, leaving you with a very expensive repair bill. So, rather than trading in that old pickup or just junking it, consider this. Powertrain Products actually offers remanufactured and updated 543 valves for just under $3,300. Since the cam phaser is the most failure-prone part on a 3-valve, it's been replaced by the most current revision of an OE-level part. Plus, everything else under the cam cover is brand new. From the updated chain tensioners, the plastic chain guide, and of course, the timing chain itself. Also, there's a new milling oil pump that'll improve oil flow to the top end of the engine. To keep your F-150 on the road, be sure to check out PowertrainProducts.net. They offer remanufactured engines, transmissions, transfer cases, and differentials for a wide range of vehicles. They have a great warranty, and you can even step up to the no-fault warranty that'll cover you for 5 years and unlimited miles, regardless of the cause of failure.